This is the GE Kitchen and Bath Project's Supreme Silicone Sealant in white. This is a premium waterproof silicone sealant designed for kitchen and bathroom applications, so you can use it around showers, tubs, tile, countertops, and other fixtures in the bathroom and kitchen. So as you can see, it's definitely ideal for indoor use. It's shower ready in just 1 hour after application. The formula is 100% silicone, making it highly flexible, durable, and shrink and crack proof. Unlike some other sealants, this one has a low odor, so no funky smells after application, and it applied easily, and I'm happy to not worry about water compromising the area around my shower.